Arnold is not a battery manufacturer. We operate a foil mill. We're making thin foil. And our customers have developed different technologies that have used different foils in different metal alloys in their applications. And some of those we've supplied titanium, multiple nickel alloys, stainless steels, coppers, and aluminum, all basically to be used somewhere in a next generation development of a stronger, lighter, more powerful battery. Some of the thin film battery advantages. If used correctly with your developing technologies, we can produce higher average output voltage, lighter weight, higher flexibility, higher energy density, lower chance of electrolyte leakage, tighter packaging, and longer life cycles than bulky solid-state batteries. Now, that's a traditional solid-state battery, not some of the next generation solid-state batteries that we know some of our customers are working on.